Hello everyone, in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song Mighty to Save by Hillsong United. This song was recommended to me by Nathan. Thank you, Nathan, for your recommendation. Now if any of you out there have any song suggestions for me that you'd like me to cover, just put it in the comment section down below. Alright, now let's go ahead and get started with today's lesson.
Everyone needs compassion, a love that's never failing. Let mercy fall on me. Everyone needs forgiveness, the kindness of a Savior, the hope of nations. He can move the mountains. My God is mighty to save. He is mighty to save. Forever the author of salvation. He rose and conquered the grave. Jesus conquered the grave. Take me as you find me, all my fears and failures. Fill my life again. I give my life to follow everything I believe in. Now I surrender. I surrender, Lord, Savior. He can move the mountains. My God is mighty to save. He is mighty to save. Forever the author of salvation. He rose and conquered the grave. Jesus conquered the grave. Shine your light and let the whole world see. We're singing for the glory of the risen King. Jesus, shine your light and let the whole world see. We're singing for the glory of the risen King. Savior, He can move the mountains. My God is mighty to save. He is mighty to save. Forever the author of salvation. He rose and conquered the grave. Jesus conquered the grave. He rose and conquered the grave. Jesus conquered the grave.
Okay, so we're using 4 chords from the G chord family. We're using the C add 9 chord, G chord, D over F sharp, and E minor 7. Now for C add 9, you could use a traditional C for that. Also for E minor 7, you could use a traditional E minor. And the D over F sharp, you could use a traditional D. But the reason I use these particular variations is they fit so much better in the G chord family, which is the key that we're playing this song in. It makes transitions a whole lot easier because the shape of the chords are very similar to each other. They have a lot in common. So these chords are going to make it much easier for you to transition from one to the next. Remember when you go to the C add 9 chord that you're not going to be strumming that low E string. That's not part of the chord. You're going to be starting your strumming on the A string. So make sure that you can mute your E string with your thumb. That way it doesn't resonate while you strum. And for strumming, we are going to be using the driving pattern, which is a 4-beat strum pattern. And we're going to have 4 down strums. with an up strum added after beat 4, and then we repeat. We're also going to be adding emphasis on beats 1 and 3, so every other beat we're going to be strumming harder to create some dynamics and make it a little bit more interesting and not so monotonous. So that strum pattern would sound like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. For the softer strums on beats 2 and 4, you don't even have to strum all 6 strings. You can strum, the top 2 or 3. It's not a hard set rule. It's just the idea is to create that dynamics, the difference in a more intense strum for 1 and 3 and a softer strum for 2 and 4. All right, good luck to you as you learn this song. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. All right, take care.